The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Pennsylvania, weighing in at 215 pounds, Joe.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe.
He has a big match ahead of him, going to need a career-making performance here tonight.
And his partner, from Boston, Massachusetts, weighing in at 160 pounds, John F. Kennedy.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight. He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big-time match.
This man is invincible.
Dragunov's a man who struggles to keep his rage in check, but when Dragunov loses it, let's be honest, it's a lot of fun to watch.
And from Moscow, Russia, weighing in at 187 pounds, the World Heavyweight Champion, Ilja Dragunov.
This dude is downright explosive, like a lit stick of dynamite with a very short fuse.
Hey, this dude's been called the Unstoppable Czar.
A title that he has earned due to his supreme physical conditioning.
We've also learned that Ilja Dragunov has a volatile temper inside the ring.
You're right, Byron. That's a trait that Dragunov has used to his advantage.
There is no putting out the fire that burns inside of Dragunov.
The bruiser of the Brawling Brutes.
And from Birmingham, England, weighing in at 205 pounds, Butch.
I'll tell you, you never quite know exactly what you're getting with this guy.
That's a very different competitor than he was in NXT, that's for sure.
But fun to watch, nonetheless.
Butch ain't wrapped right, okay? He's not quite all there.
Yeah, but that's what makes him so dangerous. It is truly anybody's game in this tornado tag matchup.
It's true. Given all the non-stop action action we're about to see, it's going to be easy to get swept away in the excitement.
Just stretching out the arm, placing them into the corner. Caught in a bad position here. Oh, God, face first. Uh-oh, stomping away in the corner.
No, you don't think.
What on earth is... What are they trying to do?
I think we know exactly what. Gonna take a trip.
An impactful display of offense we just witnessed there. Oh, grabbing the arms and just rapid stops.
That is attacking with malicious intent.
It's the red, white, and blue Thunderball.
Here he goes for the win.
And there's the save.
Thunder's club comes down. Very effective.
Gets inside the ring.
Incoming.
Crash landing powerbomb.
Taken down with a chop block. Had it scouted.
And he's taking this to the outside now.
Double knee backbreaker. That's gotta be it.
And he kicks out of the pin and one.
Kicking out now sends a very clear message.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
He's absorbed some damage already.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment. Draped over the top rope.
Here we go. This is gonna be nasty.
Running sit-out powerbomb.
They kick out of only one.
I don't know what more this superstar can do to put him away.
Counters that. Face buster plants him.
By a sling blade.
Cover here. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
Almost inhuman at this point.
He's back into the ring. Got him set up in the corner of the ring. And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one. He had it scouted.
Right to the kidneys from behind. Chicken wing underhook.
Uh-oh. Able to give him the slip. Landing on top of the skull.
Get on a save just in the nick of time. Nice takedown. Could be looking for the triangle. Gotta pass the arm. This one's... Sleeper hold cinched in deep. Needs to break this submission.
And breaks out of the sleeper. We're gonna see it.
Power. Power bomb. He's feeling the effects of that last hit.
Butch has got to find a way out of this dire spot.
Oh, it gets put in. Kick to the gut. This could be the beginning of the end. Face first. Is there any air left in Butch?
Finally got him. I can't believe this match is finally over.
Here are your winners.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
These teams really put each other through their paces in this tornado tag match.